Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to increase your limit on PayPal. When it comes to managing your finances online, encountering limits on your PayPal account can be a real hurdle. These limitations can restrict your ability to make larger transactions or handle frequent payments, which can be particularly frustrating when you're trying to run a business or manage personal finances efficiently. Today, we're going to explore how you can lift or even increase these limits, thus allowing you to take full advantage of PayPal's capabilities. This process is both straightforward and essential for anyone looking to maximize their financial flexibility on PayPal. So, let's get started and make sure you have all the tools you need. First things first, you need to navigate to the PayPal website. This is your starting point. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage, where you'll find the login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now it's time to enter your login credentials, carefully typing your email address and password to avoid any mistakes. After that, hit the login button to gain access to your PayPal account. Now that you're successfully logged in, take a look at the upper corner of your screen where your profile icon is located. Click on this icon and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. This is a crucial step, as navigating through your account settings will bring you closer to managing your account limits effectively. Once you're in the account settings, direct your focus to a section labeled Account Access. This section is essentially your one-stop shop for anything related to accessing and modifying permissions for your account. Within this section, there's a subsection called Limits. Go ahead and click on it to continue. In the Limits section, PayPal provides a detailed overview of your current account limitations. Here you'll find an option labeled View, which allows you to access more specific details regarding the limits that have been imposed on your account activities. Your main aim here is to identify the areas where you may want to lift or increase these restrictions. This can significantly enhance your financial and transactional capabilities. Once you have a clear understanding of your current restrictions, look for an option called Lift Limits. PayPal offers this functionality to cater to users who wish to expand their account capabilities. By clicking on Lift Limits, you initiate the process of enhancing your account usage. This is a precise way to meet your growing personal and business needs. At this stage, PayPal will guide you through a crucial step, which involves linking your bank account. This step is essential, as it not only verifies your financial stability, but also establishes your credibility with PayPal. This verification is a key factor in why PayPal might consider increasing your transaction limits. When prompted, carefully enter your bank account details. It's important to ensure that all the information provided is accurate, as any discrepancies could lead to issues not only now, but in future transactions as well. Once your bank account is successfully linked, PayPal will process this change, and your account limits should update accordingly. This simple yet effective process elevates your ability to perform larger or more frequent transactions, thereby better meeting your personal and business needs than ever before. And just like that, you've learned how to increase your PayPal limit quickly and securely. If you encounter any challenges or have questions during this process, remember that PayPal's customer service is always available to assist you. They can provide additional guidance and support if needed. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to increase your limit on PayPal, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.